Hello, guys. You're all welcome to Usdt TV. So, guys, please if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe to the channel, like my videos, comment on my videos, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you could be the first person to get update from me whenever I release a new video. So, guys, without further ado, let's jump onto this site that is really profitable and it's really new in the system. That's a Usdt Trc20 Mining site. So, without further ado, let's jump onto this site right now. So in order to join this platform, please you need to use my link in the description box. Kindly open the description box, join the use my link, and also don't forget to join my WhatsApp group so that you could be able to get more benefit from me. So, guys, without further ado, let me show you how you register a new account with this bci256.com. So in order to register a new account, you need to click on the register button over here. So you click on it. So when you click on it, you can see that these spaces will be provided for you to fill in your details. So here you type in your mail, your password, you confirm your password, the invitation code. So you need to use my referral link so that I could be able to sign up. So I already have an account, so I'll just click on login over here. So when I click on login, so guys, wait whilst I log in right now. So guys, this is the dashboard of my account. As you can see from here, this is the dashboard of my account. So guys, if you want to make deposit over here, so this is the deposit button over here. We have withdrawal button, sign in button, and my team button over here. So first of all, if you want to deposit into this account, you need to click on the deposit button over here. So when you click on the deposit button, you can see that the minimum recharge or the minimum deposit is just 10 USDT, and the system is saying that the minimum deposit shouldn't be less than 10 USDT. So when you come here, you need to copy this address over here. So you click on copy over here, then you copy. So that's all you basically need to do in order to deposit. You copy the address, you go back to your wallet, then you select withdrawal, then you proceed with your deposit into this site. So guys, that's all you basically need to do. So this sign in you just need to sign in so that you get cash each and every day after depositing. I won't get the cash because I've not deposited yet. So you need to sign in when you deposit so that you could be able to get some rewards. And also you can click on the share button over here so that you can share it with your friends and family in order to get more money. So when you click on invest here, you could see their various investment plans over here. So this site is really legit because they are not promising you with any high amount or huge amount of money. So as you can see from here, they are giving us 4% daily income. So 4% of 10 USDT will be 0.4. As you can see here, when you click on the invest, you can see that they will be giving us 10.4 USDT after 1 day. So this is good. And another one too is here, 3 days plan. They'll be giving us 4% for each and every day. They'll be giving us 4%, and in 3 days it will be making 11.2 USDT if you deposit an amount of 10 USDT into the site. So guys, don't hesitate to make deposits. Go on with the deposit so that you could be able to earn more money. And they are saying after 7 days over here, they'll be giving you 6% each and every day for 7 days. So you'll be getting 14.2 USDT after 7 days. Guys, this is really good. They are not promising us any huge amount of money. So the site, I think it will last for a very long time. It's very new in the system. So you all need to join the site in order to benefit. And here, I'll not advise you to join the 35 days, 60 days. I'll not advise you to join. But I can advise you to join the 21 days over here. 21 days. When you invest 50 USDT for 21 days, you'll be getting 165.5 USDT. So guys, this is really good. And also they have live chat over here. You can click on it so that you could be able to chat them on Telegram. When you click on your account too, you could see recharge and withdrawal here. When you click on the withdrawal, you need to type in your password for the withdrawal, then you confirm your withdrawal password over here, then you click on withdrawal. That's all you basically need to do in order to withdraw. But also, before you make withdrawals too, you need to insert your withdrawal. You need to insert your withdrawal address over here so that you could be able to withdraw by default anytime you want. So guys, that's all you basically need to do on this site so that you could be able to earn more and more money. So guys, don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to my videos, and also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you could be the first person to get update from me whenever I release a new video. So guys, thank you all for watching Usdt TV. If you find my videos really informative, then hit the subscribe button, share the videos, and also comment on my videos.